Hello guys, in this video I will be playing the final chapter of Slendytubbies 3 campaign. Chapter 3, Runaway. So, yeah, if you haven't seen my other 3 videos, go check those out. And, because if you haven't seen Slendytubbies, you won't know the story, and, yeah. But, anyways, let's just hop right into it. What was I gonna say? I have some more videos planned, so, I'm gonna try to upload for like a whole week straight. It'll be fine if I don't, but like, I don't know, it's just a challenge. Okay, it's just throwing us right in. Oh no. She's gone. The note reads, "Get out before it's too late." What happened here? Oh! Yeah, I saw the laser, but I wanted to know what would happen if I jumped over it. Yeah, or if I went through it, I mean. Let's just jump over it. Oh my gosh! What could do that to somebody? Wow. Nothing to say about that guy? Not important? Okay. I'm just making sure there's nothing on the other pathways. Oh, this place is cool. Let's go here. Whoa, this place is huge. Okay, secret center. What's this? This is the entrance to the secret center. It's locked. I'll need to find a way to open it. Okay. Been there. We go. Cough, cough. Are you alive? Yes, you are. Are you okay? Pain. So much pain. Please, you have to help us. Who are you? My name is Ron. I work here. We all work here. I'm an engineer for this facility. What happened here? It all happened so fast. This monster came into the station and began to kill everyone. It was green and carried a chainsaw, but worst of all, it had no head, yet it was still alive. Never seen anything like it. It was horrifying. Everyone began to panic. I hid as best as I could, but it found me. It attacked me, but I managed to escape, though I can barely move. I'm in a lot of pain. We're all dead. It's horrible. Listen, you need to contact the military and tell them what happened. You can send a distress signal from the secret center. Once they receive it, they'll come and help. You'll probably need a key card to get into the center. Where can I get a key card? I think another member of the staff had a center key card on the other side of this door. Someone locked the door in an attempt to trap the monster inside. You can get to the other side by calling through the air vents next to you. That's how I got here. Be careful though, that thing is still here. I'll be back soon. Oh, vents. Uh-oh. Which way do I, oh, let's go this way, I guess. No! Please, no! Ah! Oh my gosh. Poor Ron, bro. Am I crouched? No, why do I feel so short? What am I supposed to do over here? There's nothing. Oh. Just a lake. Lava? I'm losing my mind. Oh. Come play with us. It's Lala's ball. I kicked that in the first episode. Oh. Where am I supposed to go? There's nothing back here. I thought I already went this way. Yeah, I did go this way. I think I saw another way though, so let's see. No. Where do I go then? I guess I just go back? It doesn't make any sense. Okay, guys, I just restarted the game because I had no idea where to go. I was just like completely stuck. Where are you going? Go to the laser. The heck? Wait, was it this way? Yeah. No. It was, oh wait, yeah, it was. It was over here. Cough, cough. Are you okay? Who are you? What happened here? It's horrible. Where can I get a key card? Come on. I'll be back soon. Oh, no! I'll be back soon. Okay. I think there's something I'm missing because there's like no way to get anywhere. Oh, the key card. Okay, I'm so dumb. Alright, this is the key card to the secret center. I'll be able to contact the military from there. I should head back through the vents. Yeah, sorry guys for being so dumb. I forgot that I was supposed to get a key card, and then I just... Yeah. Oh gosh, so much death. Uh-oh. Whenever the camera angle changes, it freaks me out. Oh. I went the wrong way. Oh no. Oh, dude, I just felt like an electrocution through my whole body, like shivers. Got the chainsaw, yep. This might come in handy. Oh, dude, I thought I saw a giant Slendytubby right there for some reason. Okay. This is not the secret center, I don't think. Could be. Yeah, no, it's not. Is it this way? Could be. No. Oh yeah, because that's where Ron died. The controls in this game are like weird because the camera angle is like... Okay. Come on, let's go, secret center. Okay. This part is going to be intense. Oh, my back hurts. Okay. Why is this whole the soundtrack is so creepy right now. What on earth? Nunu? What are you doing here? I'm making them better. Making things better. What do you mean? I infected the custard. I made them better. Change them back. That is impossible. Who they used to be is gone forever. When one consumes the infected custard, they die hours later. The consumer then reawakens anew, but no longer living, eternally undead. Reborn, the consumer no longer feels emotion. They're empty inside, with only one desire, to kill the living and make them become reborn. It's two desires, but okay. Over time, the consumer will begin to mutate. They may become stronger, taller, faster, and may even grow new limbs to help kill prey. This is the way Teletubbies should be. But why, Nunu? The machines are making mistakes when creating Teletubbies. They are making them weak. Teletubbies have limited minds and their emotions are a weakness. They are limiting them from true greatness. I am removing these limits. That is why I infected the custard, to make them better. You won't get away with this, Nunu. I already have. Oh, from here I've hacked into the Central Artificial Intelligence mainframe. I control all machines now. I control everything. Like the rest of the living, it is time for you to die. Farewell, Guardian. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. Weapon systems online. Target acquired. Engaging in combat mode. I'm not afraid. Oh, okay. Combat controls. Left click. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna need to remember this. Left click to attack. Hold the right mouse button to block. Hold shift to sprint. While blocking, move in any direction to roll. The yellow bar is health. Blue bar is stamina. You lose stamina when sprinting, attack, and rolling. 3 against. Okay. If you attempt to block an attack without enough stamina, you will take damage. When you see a red flash, it means the enemy is about to attack. Okay, I've been waiting for this like my whole life, basically. This is crazy. Okay. Oh. I forgot you could roll. Okay, nice dodge. Oh. If you can hear me clicking, I am like spamming right now. Oh, okay. Hold on. Oh, I don't need that. I need some stamina. Okay. I get scared when he points the thing at me. Let me get some stamina back. Oh. Angry mode activated. You will be destroyed. Oh no. I'm trapped inside a tunnel. Undecided time. You're fading. Your pulse is degrading. I love this song. Come on. Attacks in. Oh. Come on. The announcer, more like, he's dead. Stay down. Mayday, mayday! Guardian to all military, do you copy? Over. We need your help, now! Nunu, stop! Why are you here? You should be dead. It's over, Nunu. Give up now. No, things have just begun. The machines are creating an army of newborns. They're flooding the lands, infecting all life as we speak. What are you talking about? Infecting the custard is only one step on my plan. I have also injected my virus into the Teletubby creation machines. Now when a new Teletubby is made, they already have my virus in their bodies. The only side effect to this is that they are unable to grow fur. That does not matter to the undead. They are my newborns. So that's what I encountered at the secret lair. Yes, I've underestimated you, Guardian. By defeating the announcer, you have proved to me that you hold great value. You are a lot smarter and stronger than I thought. You are different than the rest. If you join me, then together we can make the world a better place. Join you? Never! You killed my friends! So be it. I can see you will never understand. Whoa, you just spawned out of nowhere. That was crazy. You are not going to stop me. I will not allow that. Oh my gosh. Oh, kill. Oh, okay. I rolled right into his attack. It's like a bull is just charging towards me. Oh, okay. Fight me like a man! I'm running! Dude! Are you sure? Don't do it! Oh. Don't go outside that. Oh! Dude, I saw a health over here. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. I thought I died for a few. Oh no. Holy. Come on, he's here, dude. Fight me. Fight. Dude, I need stamina. No. Oh. I need stamina and health. Oh, okay, I just need health now. Dude. Let me get this health. Okay. Not on my watch. Dude, this guy. Fight me, dude. Okay, dude, this guy. Where's the... No, it's gone! Why is it over there now? Come on. No, dude, I need to get some attacks in. Okay. Come on. Oh. That almost blew me into the health. Okay. That's good. That's good. Oh, getting some attacks. Oh, I'm so low on health. Dude, I might die. Yes, okay. No. Okay. No! Come on, give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me up. Oh, okay. This is not the time to be singing. Ah! Oh, dude, I'm dead. If I die, I hope it, like, respawns me back here, because that would suck if I have to beat the announcer again. Just no! As soon as I desperate. No! Dang it. Okay, please just spawn me back, please, please, please. Auto-saving, good. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Nunu, stop. Alright, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Over Nunu, give up now. This game is so fun, bro. I'm happy I decided to play this. And I'm happy you guys are watching it. Oh, cute. Come on, dude. Okay, dude, this guy. What is it? Oh, I need some stamina. I'm not talking, I'm just really focused, you know. Oh, okay. Phase 1 complete. Phase 2 not complete.
Smell the fear, so where and gone away. Flashing lights, the chasers come. Crashing bell, the faces fall. The smell of fear, so where and
Song is Come on. Oh, give me the health! No, it's gone! Oh, it's right there. Wait, I can block and attack at the same time. This is epic. No! Dang it. Okay. No! So epic, I can block and attack at the same time. Oh. I'm dead. I can't die at the first round. Oh no. I need some stamina. I desperately need health. Oh, there's two? It's awesome. attack doesn't reach far enough. Dude, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Don't do it. Ah. This is difficult. Yeah. Full entrance. Gonna despawn anyway. Dude, I keep rolling and I don't want to roll. I'm really focused on not connecting top.
Amongst the flames, they are coming. It's not a game from fear and fall. Smell of fear, sweat and tears, run away. Flashing lights, the chase is coming. Crashing bell, the faces fall. Smell of fear, sweat and tears, run away.
I hate how the health despawns when it's going to... No! Making health. Dude, use a different attack. What the heck? It's not major anymore. Yes, it is. Dang it, it despawned literally an inch away from me. Okay, good. Dude. No. Okay. The health keeps... That's good. Probably still not gonna beat this though. Enough, Poe. Finish this.
Speeding well with
I'll help over here, but doesn't matter.
what could they say? What could they change?
Different hits. Nope.
Speeding well with
I'm gonna go spend some time to run away and get some potions.
what could they
Those
say?
are annoying.
What could they change?
Might be the run. Oh. Might be the end of the run, actually. thank goodness. Please give me some health. I'm in the middle of a boss fight right now. I need some help. I need some help. I need some help. Yes. Oh no! I'm so dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm actually dead. Okay. Dude. Oh, thank goodness. It's just that. Dude. Give me health. Camera. Oh, that's good. Get some attacks. Get some attack. Dude! Every time I'm gonna attack him, he just does that. Ha! Come on, attack me! Or like, don't attack. I don't know. No, right here, right now, right here. Come on. Oh! Yes! Oh! Finally! I'm sorry, Poe. Oh, dude. We could have worked together. We could have built a better world. Dude, that was crazy. Do you really think you've won? Your world is about to become ash. You're too late. Shut up. Dude, that was so... Oh, dude. It's done. What the... It's the military. They're here. It took you so long, dude. I already, like, solved the crime for you. I am Sergeant Miles. You received a distress call. What's the problem? It's horrible. They're all dead. Slow down. Who's all dead? Sir, over here. You might want to see this. Oh no. Dear gosh. Prepare all units for an invasion. We must fight. Dude, that was just good ending. Dude, that was crazy. I've always seen videos of this game, and I've always wanted to play it for myself, but I didn't have a computer. And like, I'm just so excited that I finally got to play it, and I beat it. Like, I did not expect that. That's just, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll play the demo or I'll play the DLC in another video, and yeah. Oh, that was so fun. Well, bye guys.